In this video, I'll show you how you can use only your Uber balance to pay. So in order to do this, what you want to do first is check your balance. So you can do that by clicking in the top left, and then here go to Wallet. Now from there you already see your balance and Uber balances, so just whatever it says here is how much you can spend on the order, including the delivery fee, if you only want to use your Uber balance. So for example, if you have $10, then you can just add something that's less than that. So for this example, I'll just add this, which is $5. So just make sure that however much you have in your balance, the subtotal is less than that. And then you also need to see how much it will cost with delivery costs and taxes and other fees. So in this case, you will see it adds up to almost $10. So if I would have $10 in cash, then to use that under payment, click edit. And then here select Uber Cash and just go and turn that on. And now you can see I don't have any, but if you do, then from there, if this amount is more than your order, then you can just click place order and only your Uber Cash or balance will be used. So that's how to only use your Uber balance to pay on Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.